planned National Convention of the African Democratic Congress, ADC, reportedly scheduled to proceed despite an ongoing court dispute in the Federal High Court, has raised serious legal and constitutional concerns among stakeholders within the party. At the center of the dispute is a fundamental question: who has the lawful authority to run the affairs of the party's Congress system? The plaintiffs insist that under both the 1999 Constitution as amended and the ADC Constitution, only properly elected structures, particularly the state and national executive committees, are empowered to organize congresses and, by extension, a national convention. They argue that any attempt by a caretaker structure to convene such major political events amounts to a constitutional breach that could render the outcome invalid. Legal observers argue that proceeding with a convention while these questions are unresolved places the exercise under the shadow of sub judice, meaning any action taken could be seen as interfering with the court's ability to deliver a fair and binding judgment. A major argument against the legality of the convention is the question of who is constitutionally empowered to convene it. The plaintiffs maintain that under the ADC Constitution, only properly constituted and elected organs of the party can organize congresses and national conventions. While political parties have the right to organize their internal affairs, that right is not absolute. It must align with the party constitution, the Electoral Act, and ongoing judicial processes. Given that a federal high court is already examining whether the current organizing structure has legal authority, critics argue that the proposed ADC convention is operating under a serious legal cloud and may ultimately be challenged or invalidated depending on the court's final decision.